Весна? Є.
A strong snowstorm has hit several cities in Russia's Rostov region. Local authorities have declared a state of emergency. The aftermath of this hurricane has caused chaos on the roads. Massive traffic jams occurred on the M4 Don motorway, causing thousands of vehicles to get stuck and significant travel disruptions. Rescue teams have been working hard to evacuate stranded vehicles, and emergency services have been working tirelessly to clear snow from roads and provide assistance to those affected. The blizzard has brought strong winds and heavy snowfall, creating dangerous driving conditions and posing a serious threat to public safety. Residents are advised to avoid unnecessary travel and stay indoors until local authorities announce that the storm has abated. Local authorities also warned of potential power outages and potential damage to infrastructure due to extreme weather conditions. The situation remained tense, with the blizzard showing no sign of letting up. Authorities have advised people to take all necessary precautions and follow emergency services guidelines to stay safe during this difficult time.